Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install Python 3.11.4 on Windows 10 or 11. It's very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to search on Google Python download, and the first link you would see that download Python. You can see over here like releases for Windows. There are multiple releases over here. You can open this one also, or you can open this one also. Once you end up over here, you can see that we have our latest version over here, which is 3.12.1, and if you go over here you can see all the releases already happened, as you can see over here. So you can scroll down, you will find the Python 3.11.7. so it cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier, so just remember that. But in my opinion, just go for the latest version instead of going for 3.11.1. So I'm going to download 3.12.1. Just click on this one, and on the top right corner it will start downloading. Wait for a while, it's only 25 MB. So once you download it, you can see over here, just click on this, click on run, and here we have two options. Just click on customize installation and make sure to check this one, add python.exe to path, and after that just click on custom installation. Once you click on that, you will have some options like this. Make sure to check mark all of them. Click on next. We have install Python 3.12 for all users. Just click on this one, and after that install. It might ask you for your permission, and after that it start installing. So once you install this, just click on close, and after that click on start button on your keyboard and search for CMD. Once you search for CMD, you will end up over here, and what you need to write right now, just easily write a Python. And as you can see, Python 3.12.1 is on your obviously your computer right now. To check that if it's working or not, just you need to write over here like print open bracket inverted commas, and you can just write hello world and close bracket, enter. As you can see, it is working over here. And if you want to check this on your idle, you can also do that. Just search for idle and open that up. As you can see over here, what you need to do, just obviously print and open bracket inverted hello world inverted commas and open. After that you can see it is working, and on the top you will see the same thing which we have seen over here. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to install Python 3.12.4 on Windows 10 or 11. This is one of the easiest tutorial. If you follow every single step, you will be fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.